Welcome back to the Form Manager training playlist. In the last video, we learned about using basic elements. And in this video, we'll learn about one specific element, the address field. The address field is a bit different from every other element we can add. We can find this element under the Composite Elements section. In the preview mode, we can see that it means to add multiple fields at once. For this example, when we add this element, we'll name it local address, which basically implies the location of someone living around the campus area. And now we have field information for each type of information that we may want to know from our form. So, address line 1, which is usually the street address. Address line 2, which is typically an apartment or a room number. And then the city, state, and zip code. Now, being a local address, we should disable the country field by unchecking the box under the visible column. And now we'll notice that it's been grayed out. Now, let's click Save. And before we view the live version, we'll check off the required box. Now when we switch over, we'll notice that there isn't any red asterisk here. This is because the address element adds multiple questions. By default, the element isn't set up to know which fields are required. But there is a simple fix for this. We'll head over to Build, and then we click Edit on the element. From here, we can specify which fields need to be required. Address line 1 is always required by default. Line 2 isn't though, because usually it's either an apartment or a room number. And city, state, and zip code are usually required as well. We don't have to worry about country because we've already disabled it. And finally, we're going to hit save. And now, whenever we swap to the live version, we'll see that everything we need to be required has a red asterisk. And that covers everything you need to know about the address element. In the next video, we're going to be learning about options elements.